Good morning, students. Hi, in Payal's Easy Commerce. Today we are starting with is objectives of inventory management, and I'm also teaching you what is this inventory. So inventory क्या होता है? Inventory का मतलब है it is the stock of things, of materials है या components है या of finished goods at a specific location and at a specific period of time. Are you understanding? So inventory management, it is concerned with planning of the quality and quantity of inventory, purchasing at the right time, the quantity of the thing. Then we have is provision of appropriate storage facilities, then maintaining and monitoring the appropriate levels, adequate inventory identification system, up to date and accurate record keeping, determining the appropriate prerequisites procedures. So all of that comes under this topic of inventory management. So we are starting with the first thing, that is the objectives. And the first objective I have is to plan for right inventory level. Now see, for example, अगर मैंने थोड़ा एडवांस में थोड़े मेरे इन्वेंट्री रखे हुए हैं तो राइट प्राइस में मिलेंगे, आई कैन बार्गेन इट, ओके. और लास्ट मिनट में लूंगी ना तो आई माइट गेट इट लिटिल मोर कॉस्टली. सो आई हैव टू प्लान फॉर राइट इन्वेंट्री लेवल. उसके बाद आई हैव इज टू ऑर्गेनाइज इन्वेंट्री. So proper inventory management enables the firms to organize the inventory. So the company can take place orders with the right source for the right inventory. So proper arrangement of inventory can be done. So organize हो रहेगा, okay ये ऐसा आएगा, पहला ये जाएगा, उसके बाद यही बिकेगा, या I will first do the production of this in my factory. I can organize based on what I can foresee. Third point I have is to ensure continuity of production operations. Now, what do I mean by continuity of production operation? कि साइंटिफिक तरीके से ओके मेरा 8 घंटे का शिफ्ट है, इतना मुझे शॉर्टेज नहीं चाहिए, मुझे स्कैरसिटी नहीं चाहिए, मुझे द कंपनी कैन ब्रिंग द राइट क्वालिटी एंड क्वांटिटी ऑफ गुड्स एट द राइट टाइम. So this is going to ensure continuity of production operations. So that is known as to ensure continuity of production operations. मतलब one, I don't want get there is anything because मुझे पता है now. For example, I'll tell you because one of my friend उसने एक franchisee लिया है of this thing of मतलब she has a small factory at Silvassa of Parle-G factory. In this lockdown उसने 24 hour shift किया था because इतना उसका प्रोडक्शन लाइक पार्ले-जी ने इतने सालों में सबसे हाईएस्ट सेल्स किया है. So उसके लिए even the people who have those factories have to do it. मतलब उसको वो हिसाब से अपना continuity of production भी रखने वाला so that it can deliver the goods on time. So this is to ensure continuity of production operations. Fourth one I have is to deliver goods on time. So proper inventory management helps to undertake the production of time. They also sufficient inventory of finished products helps to match the customer's requirement. So there is like okay my customers जो मेरे पे इतने सालों से वो भरोसा कर रहे हैं, they are getting the goods on time. That is the biggest thing, biggest achievement other than the production that I'm doing on time. Then to protect against fluctuations in demand. Now when I'm talking about, now see for example, अभी ये लॉकडाउन में suppose some people must be calling for grofers and all, उन्होंने अपना बंद कर दिया था, लेकिन लोकल किराया वाला उसने पूरा सब लोगों को लॉकडाउन में हेल्प किया है. Are you understanding? So we have to stand by them in the other time. Are you understanding? Because they had made sure that they are giving all the people the right delivery of the goods when the people wanted it. Are you understanding? Now the fifth point I have is to protect fluctuations in demand. Okay. See for example, मेरे पास बहुत सारे items है in the inventory. Then fluctuations in demand can be easily understood. Like for example, अभी मुझे पता है कि मेरा जहाँ फैक्ट्री है वहां पे लोकल मार्केट भी है. तो जब मुझे 24 आवर मेरा प्रोडक्शन करने का था, तब मुझे थोड़ा अगर मेरा मतलब प्रॉफिट में अगर मुझे 10 रुपए कम भी मिला तो भी आई विल मेक श्योर आई एम डूइंग, बिकॉज ये मेरा कंपनी का इमेज का सवाल है. So to protect against fluctuations in demand, I will make sure कि मुझे थोड़ा higher price में भी मेरा inventory लाना पड़ा. I will be doing that, but I will make sure that I will deliver the goods on time. So to protect against fluctuations in demand, to protect against fluctuations in output. What are fluctuations? कम ज्यादा उसको fluctuations बोलते हैं. तो अगर sudden breakdown on machines हुआ, supply of materials, electricity चला गया, लेबर स्ट्राइक आ गया 2-3 दिनों के लिए, तो जो मेरा एक्चुअल प्रोडक्शन था और जो मेरा प्लान प्रोडक्शन है, वो दोनों के बीच में मैं बैलेंस कैसे रखूंगी? So that is to protect against fluctuations in output. Are you understanding? उसके बाद I have is to make effective use of working capital. When I'm talking about working capital, so what I'm going to have is inventory management helps in maintaining the right amount of stock of materials, components, so working capital is day-to-day खर्चे के लिए. Okay, to pay for your this thing, to pay for your I don't want to do so much extra. I don't want to have a fixed capital. मेरे लेबर के लिए, मेरा this thing, मेरा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल, अगर पावर फेलियर हो गया तो मैं क्या अरेंज करूंगा, वो सब के लिए मुझे वर्किंग कैपिटल की रिक्वायरमेंट है. So I'll have to make sure my working capital I have utilized in the right possible manner. उसके बाद I have is to reduce production cost. When I'm talking about production cost, the cost of maintaining excessive stock in warehousing should be avoided. मतलब मुझे जितना चाहिए, मुझे पता है वीकली मेरा इतना सेलिंग हो रहा है, वो हिसाब से मुझे प्रोडक्शन चाहिए. सो आई डोंट वांट टू प्रोड्यूस मोर एंड पता चला वो वेयर हाउसिंग में सड़ रहा है. ओके, I want to make sure I have to risk of obsolescence. ये क्या है? Outdated. What is this word? Obsolescence. Outdated. मुझे वो reduce करना है. मुझे एक साथ चल मुझे cost of production मेरा कम होएगा, लेकिन पता चला वो चीज का डिमांड ही नहीं हुआ, तो फिर मैं क्या करूंगी? So that is to reduce risk of obsolescence. Then to reduce administrative workload. Now when I'm talking about the administrative workload, इसमें क्या होता है? Because of this proper inventory, there is a workload in respect of purchasing, inspection, storekeeping. This in turn reduces manpower requirements and consequently cost of administration relating to inventory management is also going to get affected. So that is to reduce the administrative workload. Are you understanding? फिर मुझे ध्यान में रखना है loss of materials. So if there is no property inventory management, there are more chances of carelessness on the part of, especially अगर store keeping में, अरे वो अंदर ही रह गया वो warehouse में और तुझे याद ही नहीं रहा. Do you understanding? So you will not remember that. That is to monitor the loss of materials. The 12th point I have is to facilitate cost accounting activities. When I'm talking about the cost accounting activities, it is the inventory management. So inventory management mein, there's a means for allocating material cost to products, departments or operating units. So all of that comes is to facilitate cost accounting activities. 13th one that I have is to gain competitive advantage. So मतलब मुझे मेरे इन्वेंट्री राइट है, मेरे लोग राइट है, मेरा राइट डिलीवरी एंड क्वालिटी ऑफ गुड्स है. सो द इन्वेंट्री मैनेजमेंट वुड बी इन अ पोजीशन to charge the right prices. Thus, quality goods at the right prices, gives the competitive edge in the market. So all of that leads to gain competitive advantage. Thank you students for listening. Hope this concept has now become very, very easy. And the source for the same has been taken by me from Manan Prakashan. Thank you students.